Everybody. So, I am going to be dropping some bombs today, and I'm going to give you a secret. Alright, so it's very crucial that you find an NFT project that before it explodes, you want to be the first person or the very first few people to find out about a certain NFT. Now, there's many ways for you to find an NFT, and I already talked about it in my other video, but in this one, I'm going to be showing you the best way to find hidden gems, hidden secrets, mooning projects, and most importantly, 20, 50, 80, 100x your ROI. There's one that everybody uses, which is Rarity. Everybody knows about Rarity, right? And half of the project there is not good. I don't know if you follow Gary Vee, but he said 95 to 97% of NFT are going to be zero. Take that in. 95 to 97% of the projects are going to be zero, as in $0. So we have to find projects that are going to hold value and that is going to be important in the future. The growth of the community, the growth of the NFT. So this method is not as simple as the Rarity tools, because in Rarity you can just go to upcoming releases and then it'll show you the releases and you can read into it. You can talk to the founders, go in their Discord. A lot of people do that, but not many people know about this one. And actually, there's this one person. He actually found CryptoPunk and one of the most important NFTs, which is the Bored Ape Yacht Club, on this. And recently, one CryptoPunk has been sold for a couple million of dollars. So there's not many people that know about this one, but it's really, really important, and it's a suggestion. When I say suggestion, I mean you better do it. All right. So I suggest that you include this into your research strategy. Do you want to know what it is? Before I tell you what it is, because this is clearly, this information is so valuable, and I'm giving it to you for free. But in return, I just want you to do one thing, and that is like, subscribe, and comment. So what is that? What is that? The research method. So the most common ones are rarity tools. All right. The second common one is being active in the Discord channel. And the most important one, the most valuable one, the best one, the one that gives you the best returns, if you are patient, if you take the time to follow the trails and See, I always believe that, you don't have to be the smartest one, you don't have to make the best decisions, but if you copy the decisions of people who are making a stupid amount of returns, then it's not bad to copy those type of purchases, buys, and decisions. And I don't know if you know Warren Buffett, one of the greatest investor of all time, and there's actually companies that just follow and copy his trades, and that's all they do. So it's pretty simple. This method that I'm going to show you is what we call snipe. Snipe on right here. So this method is Twitter. And what you need to do is pretty simple. You follow Twitter accounts that are making good decisions and are on the lookout for NFT drops. Remember the person that I said that he found Bored Ape Yacht Club 2 a.m. on a Friday, and someone said mint these. Now, you obviously have to do your due diligence, you have to do your research, but if you do it in a good way, it can make you a lot. So what you need to do is follow people who are on Twitter, active, and just be on the Twitter space. What you can do is just go to people who are investing a lot in NFTs, who is an expert, or who is actually are active buying, selling, trading NFTs. So you just follow those accounts, see if they give you some hints, see if what kind of clues they give, and sometimes they tell you what to mint, or there's certain projects that's going to do well. Now, when someone who is invested in Bored Ape Yacht Club, Cyberkongs, CryptoPunks, when they say mint these or mint a certain project and that project has a certain future, like a big future, then I highly suggest you start looking and making a deep dive into that. Remember, always do your due diligence. You can go in the Discord channel, you can talk to the founders, you can talk to the community and see what the potential is. So that's it. Follow accounts. See, this one a lot of follow accounts that has a significant value, who's an expert. See, I made a video about this, right? Where we are at in terms of the NFT journey. We are at collectibles. First it was the collectibles of 2020. We are here. Now it's moving to art, gaming. I talked to you about this before. The brands are starting to move into NFTs. Brands such as Visa and certain hedge funds. So when those big players move into a project or a certain industry, then there is something to watch out for. We're going to be moving to the culture. People start working on the metaverse, off-chain assets, and off-chain governance. So this is why I said, you don't find this information on highly unlikely that you'll find this in, I would say, Discord. This is more like a Twitter. Follow these people. Follow people that, like I said, knowledgeable, dropping insights, giving you information in terms of, see this one, giveaways, right? A certain person wants wants to be wants to get into a certain project, then look into that project and just scroll. I know it's boring, it's not sexy, but it can be a lot of work sometimes. But it's gonna be something that is going to, imagine being one of the first people to get Bored Ape Yacht Club, and you found that on Twitter just because you're just scrolling, right? Imagine the amount of money that you made. I would say it's a good return. That's pretty much it. Simple, straightforward. I know you were probably expecting something that's sexy, but as far as right now, you gotta put in the work. Uh, get involved in the community, put in the work. What kind of drops? Because 20x, 30x, 50x, 80x, people are, this is like the internet, right? Don't miss out on this opportunity. It's amazing, and you can make a killing, and if you can be a part of community, the Bored Ape Yacht Club is going to have, is in the roadmap to have a physical location. So it's there's definitely something big happening, and Twitter actually is going to be verifying your MetaMask to see if you hold that particular item or NFT. So they're making it very, very interesting. And let's see who else is going to follow. Right? Most likely people are going to follow. But that's it for today. I just want to make this simple. Include this into your arsenal. Comment, subscribe, like, and let's keep crushing it. Peace.